Before we start this video, can you like and subscribe down below? This airdrop is worth $50. It's what's this one? Iris, ACR Iris coin. It ends in April. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the Telegram bot. And you should have this whole thing down below in your description box, or it will be on our website in a link. Open a Telegram bot. It's going to ask you to do this. Put in the CAPTCHA. Put in the CAPTCHA, click this. Let's reload the bot. Do another CAPTCHA. Click on that. Main menu. Join airdrop. It's going to get you to do these tasks like we saw on the first thing there. So we're going to click on chat, join group, go back to the bot, click on channel, join channel, go back to the bot, which is here. We're going to go follow and retweet on Twitter. Open that up. Open up Twitter, follow, and I want you to come down and retweet the pinned post they have here. You always want to put a like on it as well, just in case. And retweet the pinned post. Now we're going to go to Facebook. Open up Facebook. It says like and follow. But I'd also want you to send out the pinned post on Facebook. So we'll hit like and follow. This is the official post here. Share the post. Share to public. And then next it wants you to go to their YouTube channel. Go to their YouTube channel and we will watch the video and subscribe. I want you to watch this video. Subscribe.
Welcome to our
You can watch the video. You can watch the video after. What we'll do is we're going to go to the Instagram. Want to like the page, share last post, and follow us on Instagram. So we're going to follow on Instagram. We're going to bring this down here to their last post. We're going to like their last post. Send out their last post. Not quite sure where I want to send to. Share on Twitter, I guess. Send that out in a tweet. So there's another sharing option up here in the corner. Send sharing option. So just share it to there. And now next it's asking to share and submit details. You click on that. Now click done. Click done. Twitter page, retweet post, Twitter profile link. Now I want your Twitter profile link. Make sure it's your ULR. Put that in. Then they want your Facebook ULR as well. Plug that in. Next, it's asking for your YouTube. Put that in. Instagram next. Next, I want your Instagram profile link. Click on that. Visit this site and register. Make sure we do that before we end this. Now the web page. Click on this. Click on login, I'm assuming. Click on create new account. Just pop in your information here, put your password in, hit register. Then it asks to verify your email address, so go to your email, verify the address. And in your email, you might have to check the all mail account. Might not be on your main part. Just click on the verification link. Then you're going to copy and paste this into here on the Airdrop bot. Should be the final part. And here's your personal referral link to the Telegram bot. Copy link. And you should also copy the URL of the ARC Iris platform, just so you have that as well. And that's the end of this airdrop. Make sure you like and subscribe below. We've got more videos coming up.